Best-selling vehicles in the U.S. 2025 overview and sales context. In 2025, the Ford F-Series dominated U.S. truck sales with 399,819 units sold out, performing all other models by a significant margin. This sales performance reinforces its long-standing reign as America's top-selling vehicle. The unique features are 1. Front grille chrome grille with bold LED bar blends toughness and elegance, improving airflow while creating a futuristic identity. Instantly recognizable, it sets the F-Series apart day or night. 2. Front 3/4 angle. The 3/4 hero angle highlights aerodynamic lines, wide stance, and sculpted hood. It combines rugged utility with refined beauty, showing both strength and modern design excellence. 3. Headlights. Signature adaptive LED headlights adjust automatically for safer night driving. Their sharp beam cuts darkness with style and function, creating the F-Series' unique nighttime identity. 4. Highway rolling shot. On highways, aerodynamic shape and advanced suspension delivers smooth rides. Stability and comfort prove the F-Series balances powerful work performance with refined, everyday driving capability. 5. Rear tailgate. Smart tailgate with illuminated Ford emblem, step assist, and power-down system offers rugged strength and modern convenience, blending durability with sleek design for real-world utility. 6. Top-down drone view from above. The F-Series reveals massive bed, tie, downs, and balance. This commanding perspective shows practicality, size, and stylish proportions, defining both toughness and lifestyle appeal. 7. Off-road dirt shot. Alter, Bane tires, high clearance, and 4x4 control ensure rugged trail mastery. Dusty action shot proves the F-Series thrives off-road, built for adventure beyond paved roads. 8. Towing trailer with best-in-class towing, trailer sway control, and backup assist. The F-Series handles heavy loads effortlessly, highlighting unmatched strength, intelligence, and reliability for work or play. 9. Rocky climb hill, descent control, reinforced suspension, and precise cameras guide the F-Series across rocky ground. Confidently conquering rough terrain, it proves toughness and stability in extreme environments. 10. Snow drive in snow, intelligent 4. Wheel drive and traction assist maintain control. Heated features enhance comfort, proving the F-Series thrives in winter with safety, style, and adaptability. 11. Dashboard interior, digital cluster, and large sync. 4. Touchscreen redefined truck cabins. Premium finishes blend with cutting-edge tech, proving the F-Series offers innovation alongside comfort and rugged strength. 12. Touchscreen sync. 4. Touchscreen delivers maps, towing info, and entertainment seamlessly. Wireless connectivity and split screen capability transform the cabin into a smart, intuitive, driver-focused command hub. 13. Leather seats. Premium leather with detailed stitching combines luxury and durability. Heated, cooled, and memory functions ensure lasting comfort, proving the F-Series balances rugged performance with elegance. 14. Wireless charging pad. Fast wireless charging keeps devices ready on long drives. With cooling and multiple ports, the console transforms into a convenient tech hub for modern lifestyles. 15. Panoramic sunroof. Expansive panoramic sunroof brightens the cabin, offering openness and adventure. Perfect for scenic drives, it makes the F-Series feel luxurious, premium, and ready for memorable journeys. 16. EV charging. Lightning. The Lightning Fast charges quickly, delivering instant torque and impressive range. Dual motors prove eco-friendly trucks can be powerful, showcasing Ford's future. Eddie's strength in sustainable performance. 17. 360-degree camera surround. View cameras display every angle on screen, simplifying parking, trail driving, and towing. This feature adds safety, precision, and confidence, even in tight or difficult spaces. 18. Family camping. Families load camping gear into the spacious truck bed, highlighting smart storage and comfortable seating. The F-Series adapts seamlessly from hardworking machine to adventure. Eddie Companion. 19. Lakeside sunset. Parked near a glowing sunset. The F-Series reflects strength and serenity. Rugged yet refined, it symbolizes freedom, adventure, and the emotional bond between truck and driver. 20. Cliffside Hero. Shot the glowing badge against dramatic cliffs, symbolizes legacy and innovation. This final shot captures strength, adventure, and enduring spirit, defining the F-Series as a timeless icon.